Are you on the hunt for the best gaming consoles? Then you've landed in the right place. A video game console is a computer device that outputs a video signal or visual image to display a video game that one or more people can play. But these days, picking the right console for you that'll suit your gaming taste and budget is much more challenging. So if you're interested in buying one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all the mentioned products and their buy links. The Sega Genesis Mini is designed to be a compact console that supports classic Sega games for nostalgic entertainment. This console is loaded with 42 legendary games and is plug-and-play ready right out of the box. Plug the Genesis Mini into your TV's available HDMI port and play legendary games right out of the box. This system includes 2 classic wired 3-button control pads, 40 games, a USB power adapter and cable, and an HDMI cable. This console returns in a slick, miniaturized form factor, along with 2 classic 3-button control pads. Plus, the game pads are designed like the original Genesis controllers, with the same matte black plastic bodies and the same fat croissant shape. However, this console is designed to deliver quality as only as a first-party product can. Next up on the list, we have the Nintendo Switch console. At home, the system rests in the Nintendo Switch dock, which lets you play with family and friends on a TV in the comfort of your living room. Nintendo Switch's portability is enhanced by its 6.2-inch screen, which displays bright, high-definition gameplay at the park or on an airplane, in a car, or at a friend's apartment. It comes with 2 Joy-Con, each of which can act as a standalone controller with an analog stick. A full complement of face and shoulder buttons, built-in motion sensing, and HD rumble technology. You can also enjoy the same great games in tabletop mode using the built-in kickstand to prop the system up. Connect up to 8 Joy-Con controllers for a variety of gameplay options. Remove the detachable Joy-Con from either side of the Nintendo Switch for more play styles. One player can use a Joy-Con in each hand, or 2 players can each take one. Unlock a world of endless gaming with the white Microsoft Xbox One S console. The 4K Ultra Blu-ray and 4K video streaming lets you play and watch content in high definition, while the built-in Dolby Atmos and DTS:X audio deliver rich sounds during gameplay. It features entertainment apps for more entertainment, and the 1 terabyte of storage offers ample space for games. Experience the new Xbox wireless controller's enhanced comfort and feel, featuring a sleek, streamlined design and texture grip. Play over 1,300 games, including more than 200 exclusives and over 550 classics from Xbox 360 and original Xbox. Watch 4K Blu-ray movies, stream 4K videos on Netflix, Amazon, Hulu, and more, and experience rich, luminous colors in games and video with a high dynamic range technology. The Sony PlayStation 4 Slim gaming console is similar, lighter, and more energy efficient than the original PS4. It also supports high dynamic range gaming and content, which increases the color depth and contrast on compatible displays. This console is also equipped with 8 GB of unified system memory, easing game creation and increasing the richness of content. Its high-speed GDDR5 is used for the memory, giving the system a total of 176 GB per second of bandwidth and providing a further boost to graphics performance. Utilize the PlayStation app, which enables iOS and Android smartphones and tablets to become second screens for the PS4. Additionally, use Remote Play to stream gameplay to your Mac, PC, Xperia, and PlayStation Vita. Next, introducing Xbox Series X, the fastest, most potent Xbox ever. Enjoy 4K gaming at up to 120 frames per second, advanced 3D spatial sound, and more. Explore rich new worlds and enjoy the action like never before with the unmatched 12 teraflops of raw graphic processing power. Seamlessly move between multiple games in a flash with Quick Resume. Experience next-gen speed and performance with the Xbox Velocity architecture, powered by a custom SSD and integrated software. Play thousands of games from our 4 generations of Xbox, including Xbox One, Xbox 360, and original Xbox titles with backward compatibility. Plus, the Seagate storage expansion card from Xbox Series X delivers an additional 1 TB of external memory while maintaining the same peak performance of the console's internal SSD for a streamlined gaming experience. Explore uncharted virtual territories and slay dragons with this sleek Sony PlayStation 5 gaming console. The 825GB SSD allows ultra-fast load times, while 3D audio output produces crisp acoustics. It supports haptic feedback for effortless communication in multiplayer setups, and adaptive triggers allow immersive gameplay. Maximize your play sessions with near-instant load times for installed PS5 games. With an HDR TV, supported PS5 games display an unbelievably vibrant and lifelike range of colors. Enjoy smooth and fluid high frame rate gameplay at up to 120 frames per second for compatible games, with 120Hz output on 4K displays. Your surroundings genuinely come alive with Tempest 3D audio tech in supported games through your headphones or TV speakers. You can experience haptic feedback via the DualSense wireless controller in select PS5 titles, and feel the effects and impact of your in-game actions through the dynamic sensory feedback. We hope our video was informative and useful for you. Please show us your support by clicking the like button and subscribing to our channel to watch more videos about the latest products.
Don't want to mislead, this is all you need. Be your everything, yeah, I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel, please just say it's real. More than just a thrill, not just in it for the